Breathe, exhale. Observe your breathing for a few seconds and mentally prepare yourself for the class. Take one more breathing, longer inhale. Now join your both palm in front of your chest. We are going to do start 3 times Omkara chanting all together. So take a longer inhale. Again, take a deep breath, inhale. Take one more breathing. Now rub your palm and cup on your eye and gently bring your hands down, open your eyes and look at your palm. Namaste everyone. And so let's start the today practice. All stand on your mat. Okay. So now, like your feet apart with hip reaching apart, equal weight on your toes and heels. Stand erect. Now raise your both arms up and interlock your finger and stretch your palm outside. And don't lift your heel, just stretch your whole body up. Make sure your kneecap should be tight, your ankle tight, your thigh tight, your hips tight. Keep stretching your body up. Lengthen your body up and hold there. And take their normal breathing. Don't lose your body. Keep stretching up. Keep stretching. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then exhale slowly, slowly hands down and relax. Take one normal breathing. Wait 1 second. Yeah. So now again, keep your legs there. Raise your both arms up again. And interlock a finger. And now here, rotate your hip. Rotate your pelvic. Your hands keep stretching up. Both sides, change your side. And relax. Now drop your hands upon your head and slightly take your legs widen. Yeah. Again, raise your both arms up. And now here, listen first. You have to rotate your whole body. Like go towards your right side. Take your hands down and make a circle. And inhale. Take your arms up. And slightly make arms back. And a circle. Complete circle. Okay. Clockwise 5 times. Anti-clockwise 5 times. So let's start. As you exhale, go down. Keep your knees straight. Inhale up. Exhale down. Keep rotating. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now change your side, opposite direction. Exhale down. As you inhale, take your hands up. And as you exhale, take your hands down. Keep continue. 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, your hands down and relax. Relax here. And now come on your knees. Drop your knee down, back of your mat. Yeah. And relax here for a few seconds. Relax in child pose. Feel little heat in your body. Feel little stretch in your arms, around your abdomen. Okay, now here, come up. Now come in cat pose. Look here. Come in cat pose. Make sure your palm under your shoulder and your knee under your hip and your spine in line. Okay, do not make curve in starting. So here we'll do cat and cow pose. As you inhale, drop your belly down and take your chest forward and lift your chest up and look up. Make an arch in your back. Drop your belly down, look up as much as you can up. Then exhale, take your head down and roll your back up. And try to touch your chin with your collarbone on your upper chest. Again, inhale, drop your belly down, lift your chest up. Exhale down. Keep continuing, inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale up 4. Exhale down. Inhale up 5. Look up and hold there. Take your chest more forward. Drop your belly more down. Make arch in your back. Look up, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Take your head down and lift your back up. Stretch your back up. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, relax. And one sit in child pose. Just for a few seconds. And during whole practice, keep concentrate on your body movement, on your breathing, and don't forget the breathing pattern. Inhale and exhale continues. So again, come in cat pose. Yeah. Come in cat pose all. So now here, as you inhale, lift your right hand up forward and as well left leg up, back side. And lift your hand and leg as much as you can. Right hand, left leg. Lift up. Then exhale, bend your knee and bend your elbow and try to touch your knee with your elbow. Knee and elbow together. Or if you are there comfortable, then try to touch your knee with your chin or your nose or your chest. Take it more forward. Got it? Again inhale, the same thing, same hand. Up. Exhale down. Again inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale up 4. Exhale down. Inhale of 5. Exhale down. Inhale of 6. Exhale down. Inhale of 7. Come up and hold there. Lift up your legs straight and stretch your toes outside. Keep your toes stretching back. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Bend your knee and bend your elbow. And keep your elbow and knee together. And hold there. Don't drop your left toe down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, knee down, and your hands down. Come in cat pose, and relax. Move your body a little. Yeah. Now here the same thing with opposite hand, opposite leg. You will left hand and your right leg. Okay. So let's start again. Inhale, lift your left hand up and right leg. Stretch your body, both sides. Exhale down. Take your knee towards your chest, towards your face. Don't drop your toes. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. Keep continuing. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale up 4. Exhale down. Inhale up 5. Exhale down. Keep breathing. Inhale up 6. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. And hold there. Keep your back leg towards back side. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Bend your knee and bend your elbow. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Drop your knee. And drop your palm and relax for a few seconds in child pose. Drop your hip down. And relax. Take there some normal breathing and keep focus, keep aware about your breathing. Feel the changing in your body, in your hands, in your legs, in your arms, shoulder. Keep your all awareness, all concentration on your body, on your breathing. Okay, now come up. Now here, come in mountain pose. All come in mountain. And here, see, take your left hand towards your right leg. Left hand towards your right leg and try to grab your, if you are comfortable, then take your hands towards your feet, your ankle, or grab your calf muscle, or grab your knee. And twist your spine and take your chest side like this. And don't lift your heels, knees straight, heel down. Just twist your abdomen and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Take your hands again forward. Now the same thing with opposite hand, opposite leg. Right hand and your left leg. Take your right hand towards your left leg and try to grab your feet or ankle or calf muscle where are you comfortable. And take your chest side. Twist your abdomen and look up and hold there. 1, 2, 3. Keep your knees straight and don't lift your heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then exhale. Take your hands down forward and slowly, slowly walk forward. Step by step, walk forward like this. And now inhale with your arms up And exhale, hands down. And stand up. Now stand on your mat and relax for a few seconds. Relax. And take deep breath, inhale, and deep breath, exhale. Okay, so now we are going to start sun salutation, power yoga sun salutation. So we'll do 5 to 6 rounds all together. In starting first round, I will proper tell you how to do, what is the guidelines, every step by step. And after that, we'll continue with counting. Okay, and in last round, we'll do with holding and with some extra variations. So all come forward, your mat. Yeah, come on your mat, forward side. And the same thing, your feet should be apart with hip distance apart. And roll back your shoulders, stand erect, your body in a line, and little lift up your chest. Now here, raise your both arms up and join your palm. Make Namaskar Mudra. And as you inhale, raise your both arms up again. By the side of your body from there, side of your body, take your arms up and look up. Look towards your palm and stretch your body up. Then exhale, take your hand side and bend forward. Don't bend your knee, bend forward from your pelvic and drop your palm down. Keep your knee straight, and if you find difficulty or you have lower back issue, then you can bend your knee. Otherwise, try to do knee straight. Feel little stretch on your hamstring, on your calf muscle. Bend forward in Padhastasana. Keep your knee straight. Now inhale, look up. Look forward. And then bend your knee. And as you exhale, jump back. Come in plank position. Come in plank or, yeah, your body in a line and look forward. Your hips, your spine in a line. And make sure your palm under your shoulder. Don't bend your elbow. Very good. And take there 3 breathing. And concentrate on your core, on your abdomen. Now exhale, bend your elbow and come into Chaturanga. Don't drop your knee, don't drop your chest. Just your hands, your palm, and your toes. Now inhale, lift your chest up and come in upward facing dog. Look up. Open your chest forward. Don't close your eyes and feel little pain or stress in your lower back. Back bend as much as you can. Now exhale, your toe first and lift your hip up. Come in mountain. And here, try to touch your heel. Keep your knee straight and press your palm from your armpit. And lift your hip more up. Push your body weight towards your heel. And feel stretch on your calf muscle, on your hamstring. Very good. Now inhale, bend your knee and jump forward. Lift up, leg up, and come in between your palms. Come in Padhastasana. Now lift your spine up little. Now again raise your both arms up. Stretch your hands up. Then exhale, hands down. And relax. Okay, so this is one round. We'll continue 4 to 5 more rounds. Okay, so let's start again with counting. Come forward. Join your palm. Join your palm. Yeah. Now here again inhale. Take your both hands side up. 1. Exhale, bend forward. Come in Padhastasana. 2. Keep your knees straight. Now, little take your chest up and bend your knee and jump back. Come in plank position. 3. Your body in a line. Knees straight. 4. Take your chest little forward and then bend your elbow. 5. Flat your toes. Chest up. Open your chest. Roll back your shoulder. Exhale, come in mountain. Again, inhale, bend your knee and jump forward. And now inhale up. And again, raise your both arms up. Stretch your hands up. Exhale down. Again, let's start. Raise your both arms up. 1. Exhale down. 2. Padhastasana. 3. Come up. Bend your knee and jump back. 4. Plank. 5. Take your chest forward. 6. Bhujangasana. Toes flat, thigh down, knee down. 7. Tuck your toe, come mountain. 8. Jump forward. 9. Little, your elbow straight, look up. 10. Inhale up. Continue, exhale, bend forward. 2. Padhastasana. 3. Bend your knee and jump back. 4. 5. Inhale up. 6. Exhale, downward facing dog. 7. Bend your knee and exhale, jump forward. 8. 9. Come up and take your both hands up. 10. Stretch your hands up. Again, exhale, bend forward. 2. Come in Padhastasana, knees straight. And try to touch your forehead or your face towards your knee or your chin bone. Or try to touch your abdomen on your upper thigh. 3. Look forward. 4. Bend your knee and jump back. Plank position. Your body in a line. 5. Chaturanga. Don't drop your knee. Don't drop your chest. 6. 7. Come mountain. 8. Bend your knee and jump forward. 9. Look up. 10. Inhale up. And exhale, join your palm and relax. Relax yourself. Normalize your breathing. Relax here for a few seconds. Little take your legs widen, your hands widen, and lose your body. And close your eyes. And take deep inhale and deep exhale. Relax here for a few seconds. For 10 counts. Inhale deeply. As you inhale, lift up your chest up. And exhale completely out. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So now the last down with some variations and holding. Again, come forward on your mat. Yeah. So now here again, raise your both arms up by the side of your body and stretch your hands up. And now here, little make arch in your back. And make sure your arms just beside your ear and back bend. If you find difficulty, just you can place your palm upon your waist also and back bend. Don't close your eyes and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come up. Then exhale, bend forward. And come in Padhastasana. Keep your knees straight. You can here grab your ankle or grab your toes and bend more forward. Try to touch your forehead on your knee or shin bone and hold. 1, 2, knee straight. 3, 4, very good. More down. 5, more down. Step forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now drop your hands and look forward. Keep your knees straight. Now place your both palm, bend your knee and jump back. Come in plank. And hold there. Now here you have to do, as you inhale, lift your right leg back side up. Right leg up. Exhale, leg down. Switch your leg, other leg up. Left leg up. Exhale down. Keep changing. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. 4. As you inhale, lift your leg up and exhale down. 5. Exhale down. Keep changing. 6. Exhale down. 7. Continue. Very good. Exhale down. 8. Exhale down. 9. And hold there. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, leg down, other leg up. Don't stop the practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, leg down. And now bend your elbow. Come in Chaturangandasana. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now inhale, lift your chest up. Drop your thigh, toes flat. And come in Bhujangasana, look up. Make arms back. Engage your glutes. And roll back your shoulder, open your chest, make arms back. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Now here, relax in child pose for a few seconds. Sit back into child pose. And relax. You can take your hands side, just beside your feet. And relax. Relax your hands, relax your upper back. Relax here for 10 counts. 10 normal breathing. And the same, keep your awareness within your body. Concentrate where are you getting stretch and pain. 1, 2, 3. Don't contract your body, just relax. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now again, look up and take your hands forward. and come in mountain pose. Come mountain. Yeah. And now here, as you inhale, take your right leg forward between your palms. Take your right leg forward between your palms. Yeah. And raise your both arms up. Your back heel up. Don't drop your back heel. Your both arms up. And your right leg, your right thigh parallel to the ground. And stretch your hands up. Hold there. Lengthen your body up. Keep your back leg tight, your left leg, your right left knee, your thigh tight, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here, breathe here and drop your both palm upon your knee, right knee, and low lunge. Drop your left knee down, back knee down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale up 4. Exhale down. Now last time, inhale up 5 times. And raise your arms up. Back leg straight. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep stretching up. 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Drop your hands forward. And take your leg back. Come mountain. Come in mountain. And here, take 3 breathing. Inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth. Inhale deeply. Again, inhale. Again, inhale. Okay, the same thing with your left leg. As you inhale, take your left leg forward between the palm and take your both arms up and stretch your body up. The same, your left thigh parallel to the ground and your left shin bone just 90 degrees and back knee straight. Engage your back thigh, back knee tight, thigh tight, and stretch your body up. Hold 1, 2, 3. Keep stretching up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Drop your both hands upon your knees and exhale. Knee down. Again, inhale, knee up. Exhale down. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. Inhale up 4. Exhale down. Inhale up 5. Exhale down. Now last time, inhale up and again raise your arms up and hold. 1. Stretch your body up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, drop your hands and take your leg back. Come mountain and then drop your knee and relax in child pose. Relax there. Relax here in child pose. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here again, come up, come in mountain pose, a mountain. Yeah. And here you have to keep your legs straight, knees straight, and as you inhale, lift your heels up, come on your toes, and stretch your ankles, kneecap tight. Then exhale, heels down, and now try to lift your toes up. Keep your knees straight, legs straight, heel down, toes up. Again, inhale up, heels up, toes down. Exhale, heels down, toes up. Again, inhale, heels up. Exhale, heels down, toes up. One more time, inhale up and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, heels down and lift your toes up. Keep your knees straight and feel little more stretch on your calf muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now look forward, bend your knee and jump forward. Come in between your palms and here. Once come in Padhastasana and here catch your ankle, knees straight and bend forward. Complete Padhastasana. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here, reach your both arms up and come in halfway bend position. Utkatasana, variations of Utkatasana. Hold there. Make sure your knee don't cross your toes. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, slowly inhale, come up, and then exhale, hands down and relax. Relax here. Shake your leg, shake your body, and relax. Take a deep breath, inhale and deep exhale. Relax yourself, move your body. Keep your awareness within your body, and your ankle, on your knee, on your shoulder. Relax your body, little shake your body and relax. Once close your eyes, eye close and relax. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. And keep your awareness on your breathing. Relax, very good. Try to see the breathing, how it's going inside, how it's coming out. Just observe your breathing. Okay, so here, again, join your palm once, come forward on your mat and join your palm and then bend your knee. Look here, bend your knee. Come in chair pose type, like this. Chair pose. Yeah. And now here, take your left elbow on your right knee, outside of your right knee. Left elbow outside of your right knee and keep your hips down and twist your abdomen and try to look up. Very good. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then be there. Now here, take your left leg back. Left leg back. See? Left leg back. And hold. 1, 2, 3. Again, continue. 4, 5, 6. Keep twisting your abdomen. Look up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here, drop your left hand down beside your feet and right arm up. Right arm up. Twisting side angle pose. Your both shoulder in line and look towards your upper hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, hands down, and drop your both hand side, and take your leg forward. Take your leg forward, and inhale, raise your both arms up, and exhale, relax. Now, the same thing with your opposite leg. Take your both legs once. Shake your body. Relax your thigh. Yeah. Now, the same thing with the opposite leg. Again, join your palm. Bend your knee. Hip down. And twist towards your left side. Your right heel, your right elbow on your outside of your left knee. And hold there. Twist your abdomen and look up. Keep your hip down and hold. And concentrate where you're getting stretch and pain. Keep focus on this body part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here we here, take your right leg back. And keep twisting and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your back knee straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now go to right hand down. Either you can place it on outside of your feet, or you can place it inside. In which are you comfortable? And take your left arm up. 1, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, hands down, and take your leg forward, and inhale up, and exhale down, and relax. Shake your body, shake your leg. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Relax yourself here. Relax here for 10 breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. You can place your hands upon your waist also. As you inhale, little lift your chest up. Exhale. Normalize your breathing. Try to do. Okay. So now, hold. Sit on your mat. Wait, I come forward. Yeah. First, we'll do butterfly and then butterfly forward bending. Keep your both feet together like this, and with your both palm, grab your toes and take your both heels towards your genital or your between your anus and between your genital organ. Between that, put your heels and relax your inside your thigh muscle. Just keep it relaxed. Don't contract it. Just relax and feel little pain. And try to touch your both knee on the mat. Keep up and down. And is your spine straight? Spine straight. Your chest forward. 1, 2. Lose your thigh muscles. Relax. Slowly, slowly. Up and down. Yeah, just feel little pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now last time, place your both palm upon your knee and push your knee down and try to touch your knee and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now here is your both arms up. Lengthen your spine. Then exhale, bend forward. Step by step, take your finger forward and your head down. And lose your thigh muscles, lose your hip muscles. Just feel little pain and stretch. And try to take your knee down. Every exhalation, take your head more forward and down. And try to touch your forehead down. And take your hands more forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly look forward and step by step take your hands back and relax. And now take your leg forward and shake your legs. Shake your thigh, shake your leg, and relax. Now here, lay down on your mat. Yeah. Relax for a few seconds. Here we will do some workout for your specific for your core to remove your belly fat, to reduce your belly fat. So now here, keep your both palm beside your feet, beside your hip, and keep your both feet together. And now here, as you inhale, first lift your right leg up to 90 degrees. Yeah, and now here we will rotate the leg clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. Make a big circle. Take it more side and more up. Complete rotate your hip joint. Don't bend your knee. Clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. So keep rotating. 1. Slowly. Don't bend your knee. Try to make a big circle. 3, 4, 5. Now opposite direction, the same leg, opposite side. 1. Don't bend your knee. Very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale. Take your leg up to 90 degrees and hold there. Keep your leg up 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Slowly leg down and relax. Shake your thighs and relax. Take only one breathing. Deeply inhale and exhale. Now the same with the opposite leg. With your left leg, as you inhale, first lift your leg up to 90 degrees and then 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Rotate your leg. Keep your knee straight. 1. Make a big circle. 2. 3. 4. And make sure one more thing, your toes pointing upside and knees straight. Keep your legs straight and tight. 4 and 5. Now the same opposite direction. 1, 2. Use your hip joint and rotate your leg more. 3, 4, 5. Now last time, take your leg up 90 degrees and hold there. 1, 2, 3. Knee straight. 4. Your thigh tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly leg down and relax. Relax your thigh. Take your leg and relax. Again, take one breathing. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. And relax. Now, the same process we'll do with both feet. Take your both leg up, 90 degree first. And fourth foot, you can put your both palm just under your hip, fourth footing. And you can interlock your finger also here, like this. Keep your legs together and slowly rotate your legs. Clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. Keep your both feet together. Don't bend your knee and take your legs more down. Don't drop your heel down, just leg down. Continue 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise, 3. Slowly. Get stress on your abdomen, 4, 5. The same reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 5. And now take your leg up 90 degrees and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale, leg down and relax. Take your leg, take your thigh and relax. Here you can close your eyes and move your awareness within your body. Where are you getting stress? On your abdomen, on your thigh, on your hip joint. Just feel the hyperbole flow in your body. Feel little warmness in your body. Today, just we'll do one more exercise or asana. Just keep your both feet together, and here the same thing. Again, you have to take your leg up, both leg up, and as well take your hands up and lift your head up. If you have cervical, please don't lift your head. Otherwise, lift your head and grab your feet or toes. Try to touch your toes like this, lift straight, and engage your core. Core tight and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lift your head up. 8, 9, and then exhale. Leg down, hands down, and relax. Just relax. Slowly, deep inhale and deep exhale. Just relax yourself. Relax your breathing. 1, 2, 3. Today's asana practice finished. Now we'll move for pranayama. Before that, relax your body. Relax yourself.
I think your video is paused.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, my data notification has come. Relax in Savasana. Okay, so now here, open your eyes, bend your leg, bend your knee, and hug your knee first, and make roll. Roll your body up and down. Give you massage on your back and relax. Sit in any comfortable posture. In which are you comfortable? Just make sure your spine is this way. In any meditative posture, any pranayama. Okay, so now we'll do pranayama. Keep your spine straight and place your hands upon your knee. Make chin mudra. Your index finger and your thumb together. Other three fingers. Unfold and eye closed. Spine straight. Collapse your shoulder down. Relax your shoulder. Relax your facial muscle. Relax your forehead muscle. Just relax your whole body and prepare yourself for pranayama. So now in first we'll do Kumbhak Abhyas. First 3 times Antah Kumbhak and 3 times Bahya Kumbhak. So you have to 3 times hold your breathing inside. I will tell you, don't open your eyes. Just inhale deeply first and hold your breath inside as much as you can longer. So this is called Antah Kumbhak. When we hold our breathing inside as much as you can longer, this is Antah Kumbhak. So we'll do 3 times Antah Kumbhak and 3 times Bahya Kumbhak when we hold breath outside. Okay, completely exhalation and then hold breath outside. So the both thing we'll do 3 times. Okay, keep your eye closed, spine straight. So let's start. Inhale deeply. Feel oxygen in your lungs and your chest. And hold there. Hold longer as much as you can. Slowly, slowly exhale. And between that, take one normal breathing. And again inhale deeply and hold inside. Do not exhale sudden, just longer exhale. Listen in a tuning. One more time, inhale deeply. Now last time, hold longer as much as you can longer. Keep your eye closed. So when we do this Kumbhak Abhyas, our mind stops fluctuating for a while, for some seconds. Our mind become calm, peaceful, and कोई किसी भी तरह की इमोशंस और विचार हमारे मन में, मस्तिष्क में नहीं आते हैं. जब हम ऐसे होल्डिंग करके ब्रीदिंग करते हैं तो हमारा मन रुक जाता है कुछ देर के लिए, और यही बेसिक स्टेप है मेडिटेशन के लिए. In our yoga textbook, there is some sloka like Sarvate chalam chittam, nischale nichalam bhave, yogi stanutave mapnoti, tatah vayu nered. It means जैसे जैसे हमारी वायु चलती है या प्राण चलता है, ऑक्सीजन चलती रहती है, इसी तरह से हमारा ब्रेन भी, माइंड फंक्शनिंग करता रहता है, चलता ही रहता है, मंकी माइंड. और जैसे ही हम अपनी ब्रीदिंग को होल्ड करके कुंभक के अभ्यास से स्टॉप कर देते हैं तो हमारा माइंड भी कुछ देर के लिए, कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए स्टॉप हो जाता है. So this is the basic step towards meditation or samadhi. Okay, so now the 3 time we'll do Bahya Kumbhak. Inhale deeply first, then exhale completely out. Completely exhale and hold breath outside as much as you can, longer. जब तक आपको ये लगे कि बस इससे ज्यादा रुका नहीं जाएगा, प्राण निकलने को हो जाए, तब तक बाहर रोके रखना आपको. Do not contract your body. Inhale, and between that, the same, only take one normal breathing. Again inhale first and then exhale completely. One more breathing. When we exhale and stop breathing outside, then try to take your abdomen towards your spine. Like, see, inhale and exhale. Okay, relax. Keep your eye closed. Relax your body completely. आंखें सहजता के साथ बंद. Now here we'll do the next pranayama, Anulom Lom Pranayama. Take your right hand up and make a Nasika Mudra. You can place first 2 fingers upon your forehead and with your thumb close your right nostril, and other 2 finger, last 2 finger, you can use with opposite nostril like this. You can see here. You can open your eyes once. You can see like this. With your right thumb, close your right nostril, and other first 2 finger put it on your between your eyebrow, and inhale from left nostril, and with your last 2 finger close your left nostril and exhale from your right nostril. Again inhale from right nostril with your thumb close your right nostril and exhale from left. So do it for 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly take longer inhale. Slowly longer inhale. Slowly longer exhale. Don't inhale fastly and forcefully. Just slowly. And keep your focus, your attention on your breathing.
Okay, so now last time, inhale from your right nostril and hold your breath inside. Don't open your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Inhale from right and hold breath inside. And then exhale from left nostril.
And relax. Drop your hand upon your knee. Make a chin mudra, Gyan mudra. Relax. Don't open your eyes. Just feel you become more peaceful. And now here we will do 3 times Makar chanting. So you have to inhale first and then sound like longer sound. Okay, Makar chanting. So let's start 3 times. Inhale deeply. So, during that, keep your awareness, you're concentrated on your vibrations. And when you chant Makar chant, feel some vibrations in your body. Again, inhale deeply. One more time. Relax. Shant. Now here, for few minutes, breathing meditation. Become aware of your breathing. Relax your shoulder. Relax your forehead muscle. Just observe your breathing. Being thankful for whatever you have, for this beautiful human life. Being thankful
for your family, for your health, for your everything. Show your gratitude towards God or whatever you believe in superpower. Surrender yourself. Okay, now join your both palms in front of your chest and we'll pray a mantra, a Sanskrit mantra. I will chant first, then repeat the same. Okay, don't open your eyes. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhave. Om. 3 times Shanti. 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 Now rub your both palms and create the heat between your palms and cup on your eyes. Give massage on your eyes, on your face, slowly, slowly. Give massage on your neck. Give massage on your shoulder, on your frontal body, on your chest, on your arms, on your legs. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Namaste, Pranam. You can shake your legs and relax. So, hi, Nagma.
Yes, would like to hear some feedback.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was very good. Can you see the sweat?
Thank you, Namarta.
Thank you. It was really good.
आप बहुत अच्छा बताते हैं. जब आप करते हैं ना तो आप बहुत अच्छा बताते हैं धीरे धीरे. तो वो करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my pleasure. What about others?
थैंक यू योगी जी. एज यूजुअल आपने बहुत पसीना करा दिया तो आज के लिए बहुत हो गया मेरा.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, it was a very nice class. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, Nagma. Then we'll close it.
Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you, everybody. See you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I've confirmed the functional training. He's a trainer, a gym trainer who's an expert gym trainer. So tomorrow, because we cannot use any equipment, we will be doing a high intense functional training at home. Okay?
Okay, Nagma. Bye bye. See you, everyone.
Hello. Thank you, Parvinder. Thank you
Bye.
so much.
Goodbye.
Remaining everybody, see you all tomorrow. Please pass on more and more information to others regarding the session.
Yes, Nagma, I've been sending it to people outside of